see if I can shove it.
What are you gonna do, Brett? Oh, Brett's gonna kickflip this.
Oh, that's freaking sick. Almost done. I can shove it.
Nick's gonna try to shove it. Okay, Brett, you gonna try to kickflip it? I think I got the angle.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, who wants to film me now? I'm gonna do a line. Here you go, Brett. Oh. Here you go.
Oh, that's freaking sick.
There it is.